Adventure time with the Transit Prodigy.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, buddy.
Ooh.
Wait a minute. I see a livery. Stop the camera.
Where?
What is that?
That's Global X. That's not a library.
What is that?
Global? Oh, that's
What
the
is
one
that?
from France. That's their own little freight. That's not freight company. That's an airline company from France.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have an airplane freight company.
Okay, I set myself up for that one.
The Transit Prodigy, everyone.
That was like a poem.
Brooklyn Nets.
Oh yes, it is. Come here. Now where's the Celtics one? Ooh, hello. Kevin Durant. Dang, boy. Let's go. He finally got the Brooklyn.
Wow.
He finally got the Nets.
Nothing but net.
Hey, that's what you should. That's what you should call it when you upload that photo.
Thank you for watching today's featured video.